There we go. Get everybody up and going this morning. You know, I got lots of people to activate every single day. I'm in Scottsdale, Arizona, guys. Beautiful in Scottsdale. Yeah, although it is 37 degrees. So before you go get mad at me, everybody, Zach Johnson, before you go get mad at me saying, oh, coach is out there in Scottsdale, man. It's 37 degrees, Matt Insell, in Scottsdale. You know, I believe everybody needs a coach. I believe a good coach can change your life. It's 6:46 here in Scottsdale. I'm about to head out to do 3 hours of coaching with what we call our monster tycoons, which are people that paid $40,000 a year for me to be their coach. And I'm going to be teaching them how to use speaking as a strategy. Because I believe, Sam, you don't need more money, you need more people. Now, people hear me say that a lot. But today I want to unpack it, Chris. What I'm basically saying is money changes hands when problems are solved. Okay, there's two types of businesses. There's a painkiller business, which means I'm in pain and I'll pay you to make the pain go away. Or there's a vitamin business, like I just took all of my vitamins. I drink my morning energy mixer, and I'm trying to get to a better place, and I'll pay you to help me get to a better place. So we got these two types of businesses. We got the painkiller, make the pain go away. We got the vitamin, help me get to a freakish level. Now, question. So you may say, man, I got a great business. I sell great insurance, or I'm a great recruiter, or I'm a great mortgage originator. And all of that could be true, but it doesn't matter if you don't have anybody to say it to. So the whole goal, Mike and Marcella and Pastor Ken, good to see you, is to understand this simple principle, because a good coach takes real complicated stuff and he or she makes it real simple. This is why I say you don't need more money. You do, but you're going to get that money through the contacts and people you make. Okay, so I'm in Scottsdale to get in front of more people. They got about 500 person auditorium I'm going to speak to today. And that all started with me creating a killer concept in Pray Drive, or packaging a killer concept in Pray Drive, sharing that in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Gentleman in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Chris, saw me speak there, said I want to bring you to Scottsdale to my big event. But I want you to activate the Pray Drive of these people, because the mortgage rates are going up, Pray Drive's going down when it should be going up. Will you come to Scottsdale and do that? Will you come solve this problem for me? And I say, sure. So then he's going to put me in front of 500 more people. And it all started with the concept. This is why when I'm doing my Michael Burt School of Speaking and Publishing, I want you guys to understand there's a direct correlation in the amount of leads you get, which are opportunities to solve a problem, with getting in front of more people. See, the way you get in front of more people is you have something valuable that people would like to hear, or a person would like to hear, a decision maker. Okay, so it all starts with that concept, Pray Drive. Then it starts with the delivery of the concept, Christina. Then it starts with over delivering or transforming. There's a transformative moment. They go, I need that. Come help these people. The key to the many is to the one. Good morning, Ruby Barnes. The key to the many is to the one. So when you get to the one, you help that one. That one says, I want to open up this deal so you can help 500. From those 500, right? It's the discipleship theory. You help one helps 10 helps 100 helps 1,000. And the next thing you know, Mark, you're in front of thousands of people. And this is the concept, man. You don't need more money, you need more people. The people have the money. They give the money to you if you solve a problem for them. Okay? This is a key point, Casey Peterson. But you constantly need new people. You need new people. Okay? And the reason you need new people is because you need circulation. There's an energy, there's a movement. You need to care about and love on the people you have. Get them to a better place. Sam, that's every loan you do. Get each person to a better place. They go tell other people. But what I'm talking about here is get in front of large numbers of people to build your name and brand and opportunity. And it all goes back to the theory, you don't need more money, you need more people. So So the question, Justin McGoughlin, if you're recruiting, if you're attracting, is how do I get in front of more people? And you say, well, Coach, how do you get in front of more people? Well, I get in front of more people by doing these morning sessions. I get in front of more people by doing webinars, which I'm doing next week on Tuesday, called Speak and Grow Rich, which I show you how to get your speaking business up and going. I do them by doing big speaking engagements like I'm doing today for these 500 people. I do it by, yesterday I was working with Jefferson Rogers' team out in Salt Lake City because he's one of our tycoons. See, I do it by having a concept that adds value or solves a problem. They invite me in, I go in and over-deliver. It's very important. See, some speakers go speak, then they see it as, well, I'm going to get up and talk. No, man. I don't get up and talk. I get up and deliver. I get up and perform. I get up and go deep with people. I get up and touch their heart and their spirit and all parts of their nature. Mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. That touches people. That impacts people. And that impact opens doors and says, man, you got to go hear this little dude right here. Because I'm out there just like you, man, trying to build a brand, trying to become known, trying to get to the next level, trying to get to a higher frequency. So if you're thinking about coming to the MB School of Speaking, number one, I really want to encourage you to dig in here, because if you can't speak in front of people, man, you're going to have a hard time doing what I'm teaching you to do here. So I'm doing a webinar next Tuesday night. I'll be back from Scottsdale on Sunday. I'm doing a webinar next Tuesday night. I'm going to break down, how do you start the speaking game? How do you start? Where do you even get started? Well, you get started with a concept. What's up, Brad? You get started with a concept. And then once you have the concept of Brad's book, Winning at the Capital Game, great cover, by the way. Brad's teaching a concept. Now I got a concept. Now it's like, who needs the concept? And how do I get in front of more people to share it with them? See, that this is the cycle, man. Okay? This is the cycle, but it all comes down to one simple theory. You don't need more money, you need more people. So I wish you guys were here in Scottsdale with me. I got to go get some exercise, and then I'm going to head out to this beautiful house where we're coaching this morning. And then I'm going to come back, and, man, I'm going to get my mind ready to deliver this afternoon for these 500 people. Tomorrow I got Success School. I think we got like 40, 50 kids here in Phoenix coming to Success School. It's amazing. So be looking. We're going to bring Success School to Dallas. We're going to bring it to other cities around the country, Michigan. Me and my insurance partner, Ryan Chikelli, are going to bring it there. So just remember this principle, Trevor. We don't need more money. We need more people. The way we get more people is to get in front of more people and have something of value. And then, I forgot to tell you this part. You got to follow up like crazy. Some people don't believe in the follow-up. I believe an object at rest stays at rest unless acted on by an outside force. So let's go get it today, man. I'm excited for you, Pastor Ken. I'm praying for you. Thank you for being such an advocate for me, Pastor. I appreciate you. I know I pay attention, right? I pay attention. So thank you, guys. God bless you. Have a great day.